Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and on this week's Cayenne Brotherhood video, I'm going to teach you how to lower the seat backs in the rear seats of your Porsche Cayenne, but not just lower them, lay them flat down so you can have extra cargo room. I've yet to see a video on how to do this, so let me show you how to get these seats to lay completely flat down. Okay guys, step number one, make sure your two front seats are forward a little bit. They're all the way back. Push them forward. Number two, remove the headrest. Little button on the side, pulls them up. Little button on the side here, you push it in, and you can take these completely out. Go ahead and sit them in the back for now. Go ahead and do all these. This one here, up and out. And I'll come over there and get that one. Same with this, push on the button, lift it up as high as it'll go, grab the little button that's on the side here, and you should be able to lift this one out as well. Out it comes. I said out it comes. Okay, headrests are out. That's the next part. Now, here's the tricky part. Let me show you over there. Most videos tell you to take the strap that's down here and pull it forward and then lift up on the back of the seat. Now, with doing that, your seat only comes up so far. It doesn't come all the way forward. So, what am I missing, right? Well, try this. Instead of it pulling out straight, pull it up and watch what happens. See how that pulled up and in? Let me show you on the other side a little bit better maybe. So if you pull the strap out like you're told to do in the manual or other videos, only comes up so far. The trick is to take the strap, instead of pulling it straight, pull it up. And then when you pull it out, there it is, and forward it comes. Now you have all this extra room. Hey guys, I'm going to take a moment real quick and say thank you for watching my video today on the Porsche Cayennes. If you're a Cayenne owner and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate it as we bring you more content and keeping your first gen 955 alive, or 957. Also, shirts are available, link down below, help support the channel. And if you want, I have stickers available for free. Nothing to it, just fill out the little link below. Tell me where to mail it to, and I will mail it to you, just like our friend Paul Connors from Colorado Springs. He's got a sticker, and he put it on his Cayenne. Thanks so much, Paul. Appreciate that. You want your sticker? Link down below. T-shirts, link down below. Subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Push this video up. So with that, I'm going to shut up. Let's get back to fixing our Cayennes. Let's do this. You can come in here and pull on your thing and pull it forward, and it will come all the way face down. You can push this down all the way flat. Ha-ha! Let me show you the other side over there. So again, pull that tab, unlock it, lay it down, completely flat. That's how you get your rear Cayenne seats to go completely flat. Instead of pulling straight, you pull up. It will dislodge the bottom seat and make it move all the way forward. Otherwise, you're just going to get a 45 if you pull that handle out straight. Make sure to pull the strap up and out, and they'll lay down perfectly flat. Ha-ha! All right, guys, that is how you can drop the back seats of your Porsche Cayenne completely flat. In case you want to haul something, or in my case, getting ready to build a camping rig to take the Cayenne when we go up north this summer. So that's how you do it. The strap needs to come up, the seat bottom comes up, and it kind of moves like that, where if you only pull straight out, that seat only comes up to a 45. So again, if you want your Cayenne seats to lay completely flat in the back, remove the headrests, pull the strap up, seat comes forward, comes up, lay it down nice and flat. So, hope you learned something today. Haven't yet seen this video out there on the interwebs, so this is my video on how to get your seats down flat. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. If you're a Cayenne owner or about to become a Cayenne owner, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, we have the Brotherhood t-shirts available for sale. There is a link down below to get yourself one. Help support the channel. So until next time, guys, be safe out there. I'll see you next week for another Cayenne Brotherhood video. Cheers!